Fromage fry. I fancy some fish and chips. And I'm going to be having a go on these, which are bird's eye breaded cod large fillets. 100% cod fillet. Freshness locked in from sea to plate. So there's your traffic lights, which are 2 greens, 2 ambers. Let's have a read up. So what we got on here as allergens then? Fish, 54%. Wheat, mustard. May also contain milk. And we have got 211 calories per 100 grams. Whoa, did I just hit the camera thing here? There's that. And there's your nutritionals. What we got on the side here? Anything worth reading out? So as usual, you got find out where your fish comes from and discover the captain's dedication to responsible fishing. Use your smartphone to scan this little boat and get on board, sea mates. You know, have a look, see where it come from. Fish is good for our health, and so for the good health of our oceans. Here at Bird's Eye, we fish responsibly, so that future generations can enjoy fish too. So when you choose our fish, you choose fish that's good all round for people, for our planet, for the future. Breaded cod is rich in protein, which contributes towards the maintenance of muscle mass. Enjoy as part of a varied, balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Right, well that's about all it says on the box. So this box is 440 grams and it cost £6. £6 at Tesco, which means it's £1.50 for each piece. Now I've done 2 similar products to this recently. I've done 4 Morrison's battered haddock, and they cost £4, so they were £1 each. Can't remember the weight of them, probably a bit smaller than this. And I also did some little fresh ones. There was 2 of them, and I think these are £1.50 each, and I think the littles worked out at just over £1.40 each. So, and they were cod, so they're breaded cod, so they're very similar to this, just fresh ones. So it's going to be interesting to see if these score as much or taste as good as the little ones, because they were pretty good. So right, okay, how am I going to cook them? 220 degrees in the oven, fan 200, gas mark 7, 20 minutes. Right, okay, I think I'll do a few chips with them. Oven chips as the oven's on, and a few mushy peas, but not as many as last time. I think I'll have half a can this time. Right, okay, I think it's time to fire up the oven and get some cod on the plate. Right, okay guys, here it is. There is the cod fillet, breaded cod fillet. Is that in focus? With chips and mushy peas. Right, let's see what the old... Not overly crispy, but then it is breaded. Hopefully that's because it's very thin layer and it's all fish. Right, let's have a look. Ooh, this looks good. Oh, that looked good. That looked better than the little one. That look whiter. Let me hold that. Oh yes, that's really good. Have a look at this. Yeah, that looked really good. Just try it. That's nice. Yeah, that's good. The breaded coating's very nice. Bit of crunch to it. And the fish, as it looks, very meaty with a nice flavour. Yeah, that looked nice. Well, I thought that is very good. I really would need 2 of them though for a meal. They're a bit small to be fair. Which, to be fair, they are similar size to the other ones, but if you're a growing lad like me, you really want 2 of these. Two of them and you'd be getting somewhere up to like the size of a bit of fish you'd be getting in a fish and chip shop. So £3, whereas you'd pay, excuse me, what, £7-8 upwards in a fish and chip shop. So obviously this isn't up to the standard of a piece of fish in a chippy, but this isn't bad. That's nice. I think it just edges the little one. Even though it is a frozen product, I think it just edges it. And there weren't much difference in price, just very slightly, excuse me, it's dribbling. Very slightly cheaper. The little one is not much in it. So score wise, I think I'm just going to go 1 notch over the little score, and I think I'm going to give this a 9.4. That's pretty good considering the price of fish. I think that's pretty good. I mean, you could see how white that fish was. I mean, it's the first thing you look at, isn't it? When you cut a bit of fish open, well, depends what fish it is, but a white fish, you cut that open, you're looking to see if that's nice and white. And I was quite surprised when I saw that. So yeah, that's a good score, that. So guys, who has had the bird's eye cod fillet? What do you think of them? I know, Uncle Glenn, you prefer the haddock. I will be having a go on the bird's eye haddock in due course. So looking forward to trying that. If this is anything to go by, that should be good too. So yeah, let me know what you think of this product, guys. And thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me and old Boo-Boo over there. I wonder if he'd come over here. You got to come over here, Boo-Boo. Again soon on another video. Take care, guys. Got a question? Oh yeah, that's an interesting question as well. Here he come. Right. Alright, Bob. Go easy on me, Bob. Here he come, Boo Boo. God, blimey. Right, here, Boo Boo. There's yours, my man. Good lad. Then get out of the way, because we've got a question. That's it, good lad. Stay there, my man. Good boy, let that go. Right, so that's now heading off round the world. And when it comes back, it's going to land on the answer to this very interesting question, I think. In which year did the first fish and chip shop open in England? And I believe England was the first country to have a fish and chip shop. Fish and chip shops originated from England. So in which year did the first fish and chip shop open? Well, in the world really, innit? But open in England. Is it A, 1660, B, 1760, or C, 1860? Blimey, there's 200 years scope there. Which one is it? A, 1660, B, 1760, or C, 1860? If you knew the answer to that, well done. Get in the comments, let me know. And I'll catch you on another video. Cheers guys, and bonjour.
Bye.